What's going on, guys? We are almost here at the open. We got 2 minutes, and Powell, I think, is supposed to speak. Is that right? Let me look here on the economic calendar. I was pulling this up. Eastern time, 9:30 a.m. Powell speaks, so that's going to be a crazy open. Usually the open's kind of crazy as it is, but this is going to make it more crazy. So overnight ES sold off a bit. Held the range. If we break down, we'll probably... Oh, you can't even see that. Let's do it on here. ES held the range. If it breaks down, you know, we might give up a lot of this move. And if we don't, well, we're going to head higher. We're going to head to the top of this range and maybe even break out. So I don't know what's going to happen. I'm just trying to take the best trade possible. And if we look at some of my trades here, I've been scalping all morning, just taking like 10-point trades immediately in profit for all of them except for this last one here. And we're already up 449 on the day, which is pretty sick, just from 3 quick scalps. So 1 minute till the open. Trying to make up another 500. The daily limit again is 900 for this eval account, only until it's live. And once it's live, there's no limits. The trailing drawdown stops at a certain amount, and then all of the profit is yours, and you can... I'll be able to withdraw it because it's a live brokerage account. It's not a sim like these other companies. So let's see what happens here. Let me turn these off. Show fills. Show trade lines. Okay, so I wanted this to hold. Right, the first 2 times I took it, that was the trade. 20 seconds left. I don't like ES until we get down into 4,400. NQ, there's a great setup down here at 1350. Okay, market's open. 1350. Let's try to get an order out there. 1350.
Order working.
Okay, very typical at the open. We're frickin' ripping. Now, big short setup here and a secondary short setup here, right at this price here, 43. I don't want to short it. Yeah, exactly. I don't want to short it. I'm definitely not feeling this short at all. ES reclaiming these lows. I don't know, man. That's a sketchy long. There's no long setup here. We closed... Okay, what did we close? 43.50, and we closed 43.75. Technically, we closed a long. Excuse me, but we also closed a short, and then we closed another short. So I don't like this. I don't like this here. There's no real short setup up there. What's that order at? $14.50. We got a ways to go to get there. But like, dude, I'm not buying it up here. 99.75.
Order working.
I'll buy ES though. That's for damn sure. Oof. Close. NQ's just... Bro, NQ's crazy. Look at it. It's just ripping. It's just taking off while ES is dying. All those shorts that thought it was going to fail there, this is exactly why I'm not trying to short it. We're at the bottom of this range. We're all around the good long setups. I don't want to short it here. That's not where the risk reward is. Let me see what SPX is up to. It's kind of just in the middle of nowhere, to be honest. One more flush of the lows, and I'll probably get that fill. I don't think we're going to get all the way down to the teens on NQ. We might, though.
Order cancelled. Order working.
I just moved my order down one tick. Ooh, look at that, bro. Not trying to short this. Not trying to short this at all. I just wish I could get a fill long here for the bounce. Excuse me. 5-minute candle's about to close. There's a good chance I'll get it on ES here.
Order cancelled.
Dang, look at that thing go. It's pretty... There's a decent short setup up here at the top of the range, but... Bunch of short setups on the hourly. Well, it wouldn't be terrible.
Order working.
Let's see if we get a quick pop. Woohoo!
Order cancelled. Order working.
Let's see if we get it. I got 2 longs out, right? So I got the NQ long here, and I got the ES long just sitting there still. The 4-hour shows a really it's a long. Yeah, it kind of bounced off the long already as well. That was probably it, and I missed it. Look at that! Look at that frickin' rip.
Order cancelled. Order working.
Okay, so we didn't quite hit the long setup, so I still think it's good. And I still want the short setup only at the top of the range, because if the top of the range doesn't hold, we're going to go all the way back down to the bottom of the range, or at least down here, which is 30 points. ES is just still doing nothing. Come on, a little more. A little more, NQ. Give me a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Just pop right into that. That's like the perfect short setup. You can see it's kind of weak here, right? It's not really ripping through yet like it was the other days.
Order filled.
Ooh, nice fill, nice fill. Let's see how it goes now. Let's see if we just continue and we push through, or what goes on here.
Order cancelled. Order working.
I'm just putting in my stop, a tighter stop. If we head towards the top of the range and it looks like we're gonna break, I don't want to be in it. In at 75. Let's see if we can get a quick, like, 15 points down to 60. That would be nice. $300 trade.
Order working.
No.
Order cancelled.
Not 2 contracts. That would have been
Order working.
interesting.
Order cancelled.
Well, we're holding it. We're holding it like we're going to rip higher. And that'll be unfortunate for me. Let's see if we can get a quick flush here. Nope, not a rip. I want a flush, not a rip.
Stop filled.
Oh, it's just gonna fucking keep going up like it does every single day. The only other hourly short setup where I want it is 15,100. That's it.
Order cancelled.
15,100, like right
Order working.
right there. All right, so I gave up, what was that, 150 profit there? That's all right. It'll probably work now, too. Oof. Big oof. 20 seconds left in this candle. Well, it closed over the short. Let's see if we can get a dip down to like 59.
Order working.
Okay, so we hit that long setup again, like we've been doing every single morning. Now let's see if it takes off. It initially gets bought up. Are we going to come all the way back down to the 9, or what are we going to do? SPX is just chilling, just hanging out and doing nothing. Okay, so we got bought up off the setup, and now we're pushing for highs. That would have been a pretty good entry. $10 points, 15, almost 20 points on that trade. Damn.
Order cancelled. Order working.
So looking to get short again at that high level short setup. Oh, you can't even see it. Sorry. It's on the hourly chart right here. Best short of the whole day is right there.
Order working. Order cancelled.
There, that one has a stop attached. If I get stopped out of this short, I'm not going to be happy. But it's alright. It's my system. Over time, my system makes money. I just got to wait. I got to be patient. Wait for the setup. If we push through highs, I'll get filled. We'll hit it. Hopefully we'll fail from there. Yeah, SPX is just kind of doing whatever. Could really do a nice pop into it.
Order filled.
There it is, got filled. A nice fill like the last short, but you know what's going to happen? Is it just going to hover and then do this bullshit that it's doing now where it just rips? Got filled at 98. Okay, nice rejection. Really nice rejection. No reason to take it off yet. Lots of buying up in here. Just saw a flash of green on the time and sales. If you want to rewind that and check it out. Looking for a little more than it's given right now. It'll be interesting to see where this... if this 15 closes above this short setup here at 86, and I don't get stopped out before then, I'm going to take it off. What did I say? 87? Okay, 87. So we're up 250 on that trade. 300.
Order cancelled.
There it is. Very nice trade. I think that was like a $450 trade. Now we're up 750. Just like that, right? All of the logic was there. I tried to explain the whole thing. I took that first short, got stopped out. I moved my stop closer. Ooh, look at this rejection. I moved my stop closer, and I explained why, because I figured if we hit the top of the range, we'd break out even further. Got that sick short. You guys can't see it again. That sick short at the top of the range. And that might have been the entry to go all the way back to the lows, but I don't want to give up like 30 points immediately, right? Or whatever that was, 35, 30. Let me look. Filled. I have no idea. 98 to 75, 25 points, right? Ish.
Order working.
So yeah, I didn't want to give all that back. I would have been selling into this at least, so, or covering into that. So that was a great trade. That was actually a fantastic trade. Let's see here if we can get this long again now. So okay, I still have my order out on ES. Good thing, because I just totally forgot. And we'll see if we can get filled on NQ. I'll see which one gets filled first, and then I'll just I'll cancel the other one. So we need $150. I'm gonna change this to one contract.
Order cancelled.
I don't want to risk
Order
that much.
working.
It doesn't take a lot of a move. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. What just happened?
Order filled.
Okay. So I'm gonna cancel.
Order cancelled.
I'm gonna cancel the NQ. Got filled here on ES, and remember we're looking for 150. Because that'll bring me to the daily limit I'm allowed. I already explained why. Do I have a stop in? No, I don't have a stop in. What do I want? 5 points? Yeah, 5 points. Let's go right here.
Order working.
Where's 150?
Order working.
So we'll see if we can just get a quick scalp. Trying to get 3 points on ES is really not that hard. Or like it's not that crazy of a move. 3 points on ES is nothing. That NQ would have gotten filled right there. Probably could have taken it off already, which is funny. I need 0325. $03.25. Bounced off the hourly. Bunch of panic shorts. Come on, come on, come on.
Order filled.
Yes. Nice. Really, really nice trading. And
Order cancelled.
I don't know what order it just canceled, but I canceled all the orders on the account. Very nice, man. Like, that's some solid ass trading. Okay, I notice I put a lot of merit into the P&L, right? And I look at it a little too much. I had it a lot on the last videos, right, with Ninja Trader. I have like the account equity and all of this crap showing, but I want to try to provide the most value without getting too distracted and too triggered. I'm trying to like talk through the setups as they're happening. And hold on, my mouse disconnected. This computer's just falling apart at the moment. There we go. Trying to let you guys know why I got long, why I get short, why I move stops, why I do all of this. Look at that freaking long on NQ, bro. You saw the order. I only canceled it because I got filled on ES, but it's the same trade. 40 points. Or 35, almost 40 points from that long. And what did I have my order at? Like 42? And what did we hit a low of? 37? There's no way I would have gotten stopped out. I have at least a 10, usually a 15-point stop. It rips back up 40 points. Is that 800 bucks? Bro, my math. 10 points is 200. Yeah, wow. So, great trade. That would have definitely made up for the limit if I wasn't already at it. And what's going to happen today? Let's see if Mystic Mac can predict it again. So, we found some liquidity higher. We broke the top of the range. You guys can't see that. Broke the top of the range. Came all the way back down towards the bottom of the range. Made a higher low. Confirmed. And now we're going to try to head higher. Right? Like, if this holds, when you guys are watching the video, you'll see that the price is... I mean, I don't know because the candle hasn't closed yet and we still have 10 minutes left. But we could easily see back up in the 15 100s. But I'm done. I'm totally done for the day. I will not be taking any more trades. There's no point in making more profit because it's going to recalculate the profit that I need to pass the account. So I'm just chilling. We're up the max amount. And hope that was useful, guys. Peace.